What if I told you that AI can create new income streams in 2026? Here are 5 AI side hustles anyone can start.
Number 5. AI Freelance Writing. Use AI tools to create blogs, emails, and content for clients around the world.
Number 4. AI-generated digital art. Create stunning artwork with AI and sell it online.
Number 3. AI video editing and YouTube automation. Create content faster and build a digital business using AI.
Number 2. AI Chatbot Building. Help businesses automate customer support and earn with AI.
Which AI side hustle would you start? Comment below and follow AI Wealth India for more AI and business insights.